How to send a PDF file through email. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send a PDF file through email. Now, first what you need to do is open up the PDF file location at my files here, and on downloads you can see I've downloaded 2 sample PDF. Now, once you locate the PDF file location on the device on my files, what you want to do is simply select the PDF file. Now I'll select multiple ones here, 3, and then tap on the share option that you can find on the screen. In my case, you can see it at the bottom of the screen. And then here, what you want to do is select Gmail. And once you do this, you can see the PDF attachment has been attached. The PDF file has been attached, and you can select the email that you want to send the attachment to. I'll just select one right here, and then what you want to do is tap on the send option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. The other option to send an attachment is, if you don't have this PDF file right here, then select the receiver and then tap on the file icon that you can see at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on attach file, and then you can attach the file from here by locating it on your phone, and then send it by simply tapping on send icon just beside the file icon, and you can send it this way. So this way you can send a PDF file through email or Gmail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.